It is very comforting to see that this institution, Makerere, that Emmanuel served and cherished right from his student days as guild president, is aware of his contribution and cares to preserve the memory of his work and personality. The ideas and ideals of the work accomplished by Emmanuel are certainly still with us all and will outlive our generation. The memorial lecture not only commemorates the memory of Professor Emmanuel, but also underlines his vision of creating a transformative and progressive society. Those of us who lived with him and you who worked with him closely, you know that Emmanuel believed that the key to success in any society entails discovery and dissemination of knowledge, which requires close interaction between academia, the private sector, government, and all stakeholders.